Picture this. You're perched in front of your trusty computer, locked in an intense stare-down with the Facebook Ads Manager. Admit it, it's a daunting sight. The sheer challenge of concocting captivating Facebook ad copy can leave even the bravest souls trembling in their digital boots. If you're itching to master the art of writing compelling Facebook ad copy that leaves your audience begging for more, buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans on how to do it with flair and finesse. Step 1. Step into the mind of your audience. Forget about guesswork and relying on your gut feelings. To create ads that hit the bullseye, you need to understand your audience inside out. Dive into the glorious depths of your website's tracking data to uncover their demographic profile. It's time for some serious detective work. Who is currently flocking to your website? Does your desired audience dwell on Facebook's digital turf? What fancy job titles do they flaunt? What tickles their fancy? Where in the world are they located? Once you've unraveled the answers to these burning questions, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Perfecting your hook. The hook is the secret weapon of high-converting ad copy, and you better believe it's a game changer. This baby grabs your audience by the eyeballs and keeps them locked in. So, how do you craft a killer hook? Let's dive into the types of hooks that'll make your ad shine like a diamond. Number 1. Pain benefit hook. Simple, effective, and oh so tempting. This beauty addresses your customer's pain point head-on, hitting them right where it hurts. Then, your product swoops in as the solution they've been yearning for. Number 2. The empathy hook. This hook shows your audience that you feel their pain, like a true empathetic soul. They'll see themselves in the situation you describe, and suddenly, they won't feel so alone. You've been there, and you genuinely care. Talk about a connection. And the last one. The logic hook. The logic hook plays to the rational side of your audience, appealing to the part of them that seeks truth and reason. It starts with a hard-hitting statement, a fact that hits them right in the gut. Trust is built, agreement is forged, and they're glued to the end. It just makes sense, doesn't it? But hold on, we're not done yet. To truly supercharge your hook, sprinkle in a dash of wit, a pinch of humor, and a whole lot of relatability. Your audience should feel like you're speaking directly to their souls, like you're reading their minds and giving them exactly what they need. And remember, brevity is your best friend. Ain't nobody got time for a long-winded monologue. Keep it short, snappy, and to the point. A single sentence that packs a punch. It's like a little firecracker that explodes in their brains and makes them go, whoa, I need to know more. Step 3 is where the magic happens. How to write that killer ad copy that grabs attention and gets those clicks rolling in. So, what are the Facebook ad copy best practices? Let me briefly explain. Number 1. Use the rule of 1. This is the golden ticket in copywriting. Remember, you've got to speak to that one special reader, highlight that one burning problem, offer that one irresistible solution, and promote that one mind-blowing offer. Keep it focused, keep it sharp. This rule brings clarity and engagement like nothing else. And don't you dare forget to complement those ad visuals. Your copy should dance harmoniously with your video's message, generating insane interest in your audience. You gotta give them the juicy essence of your video right there in the ad copy, and then hit them with that persuasive punch to click on your CTA button. Number 2. Let's talk format. Scannability is the name of the game. Make your copy a breeze to skim through by using a headline that grabs attention and following it up with bullet points. But hey, don't stop there. Spice it up with images for each bullet, making your copy pop, catch those wandering eyes, and keep them engaged. Number 3. Urgency. You want conversions. You gotta create some urgency. Slap on a deadline for your offer, making those users scramble to take action. Time is ticking, and they better act fast. Last but not least, CTA. Yeah, Facebook provides that fancy download or learn more button, but hey, let's go the extra mile. Always include that naked URL of your landing page right there in the ad copy, along with some attention-grabbing CTA text. That's how you skyrocket those conversions. No shortcuts here. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss a new video on the latest copywriting tips and trends. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next video.